Guys, and today we're making a new profile picture. Don't worry, I'm still keeping my normal one. I'll just switch it from time to time to my axolotl one, since I love axolotls.
What do I do with this? Oh, it's a English Guardian thing.
Anyway, I already have a design idea.
Okay,
You guys can tell me in the comment section if you like this one
yeah.
or not.
Yeah, that's it. Okay,
Alright.
now what? If I make him bigger and then him smaller.
So,
What do I do?
wait.
What do I do? Oh, I just had to. I'm so stupid. I just had to freaking make the lily pad bigger. God! Someone give me a hand. Wait, I'm gonna shrink it. Lily pad's gonna sink. I can't swim. Good. Much less swim with 600 pounds of armor on.
Actually,
Oh, I do
we
this.
need the fins, or whatever those are called, to be longer.
So those who dare to cross the hero with the legendary sword. Yeah, you did.
Okay, not that long.
Alright. There you go. That was kind of difficult. That
These
was a
are
lot.
kind of easy to
What is
draw.
this? What do we do? There's a bomb. This is the entrance to the Dimensional Temple.
It's about time.
This is where the princess is being held captive. The passage won't open until it found 12 sacred feathers and 50 fragments of...
Forget all that lame stuff. Look, there's a bomb over there.
Yeah,
We're
sure.
going to clear the way gracefully.
Just grab that. I don't know if this is a good idea.
Trust me.
I made it bigger. Ouch, it's heavy. There you go. Go, go, go.
I'll just draw the head for this one. This is gonna be
I really
like
felt
the first
thing.
one.
Getting stronger. Okay, we have to shrink it. Oh,
Which is up.
if we grow him, shrink the bomb, then it should be good, right? Yeah, so close.
Okay,
let's
this
do
is
that
the
again.
first
So
one.
shrink it now. And
In
now
the
we can
comment
go really
section,
fast,
you
right?
guys tell me if you like the first or second better.
No, I made it bigger. I made it bigger.
Okay.
Stupid. Hold on.
That was quite an
So I got
explosion.
the designs.
It hurts. Okay, if
I
I
already
shrink
know
him
how they
and
don't
also
look.
the bomb, is he super
Wait,
fast? No. he's
guys,
not.
should I do?
You will need
Oh.
to open the door in
I'm
time.
not on live, so I can't ask you like
Shortcut.
mid-time.
Yeah, you
Do you guys think it will look better as a blue axolotl
Your health
So
and
that's what we have
or
have to be careful.
There you go, now
or a
go.
random color axolotl?
to do. Go, 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 go.
The main
go.
colors I'm looking for is like pink or blue, but you could suggest like a flag color maybe.
I had to grow it.
Maybe a random
I see
design,
what's going on here. This is easy.
and I'll make a custom one that you guys can use. Because the main colors, you guys can tell me if you like blue or pink.
Grow.
And then if you want a specific design, I can make like
There you
a
go.
profile picture for you guys, even though that isn't my, what I usually do. But who cares?
No princess in sight.
I'm not consistently posting animation, so nobody cares.
Door's locked.
I'm guessing these switches aren't there just for decoration.
Switches?
Sure.
Yes, that switch must surely open the door.
I don't know
Nothing's
what's the point
happening.
of
Strange. We
this.
might need to wait a minute for it to start.
I'm not sure it's a good idea to stay here.
There's some
How
snakes.
about we leave this dungeon slowly? Slowly.
Come on, guy. We have a noble quest to complete. I'm sure that door's gonna open eventually. Do I shrink these guys?
Stupid user.
Uh-oh.
Things work.
That was probably really bad. I heard a noise. It must be the door. What if I just keep spawning snakes? I just keep spawning them.
It's not funny.
More snakes. Because they're gonna spawn on the button. One of them's
Okay,
gonna spawn on the
we
button.
actually need the outline. Surprise, surprise.
Yep. He's on the button. Snakes? Why did it have to be snakes? And now I grow it.
Actually, let's redesign our shoe. It'll look the same, I guess.
And now I shrink
I
down.
liked it better when it was when it was.
What the
Yep. I had to shrink him. So that he
Sorry if
doesn't-
it looks
so big right now.
low
So big.
quality. That always
Let's
happens.
go. All it took was patience.
Did you notice anything?
Bro is a little
Yeah,
peanut.
there was another
Anyway.
switch. Probably a trap. All we had to do was go.
You
to
guys
that
can
side.
ask for accessories for your profile picture
I
one
think it's probably coming from the
if you
shoe.
want one.
What's that? This room is dark. I'm afraid of the dark.
Oh, come on. A big guy like you. And besides, it's not completely dark. You can see a little bit. There's a locked glass door, a switch, a pause button.
A pause
Oh,
button.
that looks mine.
Oh, he said.
Still, I would like to
He
wait for
said
him.
that one's mine.
User, can you like to wait for him?
How? Oh, the sun.
Actually, it's not just gonna be the head.
To find a light source.
Auto
Wait, how do I do
2
that?
will be just the head.
Find the only man. Probably a level design hero.
How do I get that?
Okay,
oh,
I-
This.
it's-
I see. I have to move the lily pad over,
Actually,
and
we're
now
gonna
the
put an
sun.
accessory on
Now
this
do
one,
this.
and
Light
Arnold
this
2
This is such a
is
good
gonna
game.
be the
It's
one
actually-
without
it's actually-
the
it's like a
accessory,
This is such a cool game.
because I suck at drawing the body.
Doesn't look any brighter.
I know I have to move it back over here.
What the hell is this creature? What the fuck is this?
She was ready. She has Nexplanon for up to 5 years to prevent pregnancy.
The fuck?
Don't use Nexplanon if you're
What the
pregnant or
fuck
may be
is the
pregnant,
ad
have or
going?
had blood clots or certain cancers, have liver disease, liver tumor, or unexplained vaginal bleeding. Once the implant is placed, you and your doctor should feel for it. If at any time you can't feel the implant, contact your doctor right away and use a non-hormonal
What the
birth control
fuck
method,
is
such as
happening?
condoms. Removal of the implant may be
What
difficult
the
or impossible
fuck
if it
is
isn't where it
this?
should be. While uncommon,
What the
ectopic pregnancy
fuck
can
is
occur,
this,
which can cause serious
guys?
internal bleeding, infertility, and even death. You are likely
It's
to
the
experience changes in your period.
Axolotl
Ovarian cysts may occur and
Dilophosaurus.
usually disappear. Nexplanon may raise the chance of serious
It's
blood
a
clots, which can cause heart attack, stroke, or
Axolotlosaurus.
death, especially
What the
if you
hell?
smoke or have other risk factors.
Okay,
Nexplanon doesn't
okay.
protect against HIV or STDs. It's
Let's
not a fantasy. It's over 99% effective birth control.
This
Ask your doctor about
is not
Nexplanon.
going great so far.
There you go. There's some light for you.
So let's
I
just-
make it bigger. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, guy.
What? Very clever, user.
Yeah, I'm a pretty clever guy. There's no light. Oh yeah.
Alright,
Shut
alright.
up. You're fine. 10 on that. There you go. Easy peasy. Oh wait, what's happening? Oh, it turns sun to moon. And now there's 4 new switches.
Something happened in the other room.
Hurry, let's go. Hurry up. Go, go, go. Yeah. Okay, 4 switches.
Looks like a switch puzzle. They're so overrated.
Awesome. I love switches. Okay.
What enthusiasm.
Okay, let's
do
fix the ears a bit, or the fins.
We just figured
I
out
think
how
these
to
help the
activate
axolotl
switches.
breathe. I don't
got
know
2.
though.
That's great. Go on.
There's 3. 4. Frick.
Well, that wasn't the right combination. You will have to do better than that.
How do we know though?
He's giving me the runaround.
Oh!
Looks like the puzzle's slowly coming together.
What does that mean? G-A, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is.
That's genetic user. Are you just randomly choosing switches?
Yes, I am.
Alright, should we connect it, or...
What? These are all different. Hold on. Let me think.
Okay,
There's
it won't
2
connect it
sideways.
on the
No,
other
make
one,
it-
I don't think.
Oh,
But I
I'm
might.
so
I don't know.
How do I know which one's first though? 1.
Oh no, connect it for now.
1. Wait, I don't get it. Is it 1G, 2 TV, 3 arrow, and 4? Okay, let's try that. 1G, 2 alien, 3 arrow, and then 4 this one. No, wait, I don't get it. Oh, actually, stupid. 1, 2,
I know
3,
axolotls
4
have like
because of the amount of
antennas,
colors.
I think.
Okay,
Instead
we
of
can figure it out
these,
eventually. So 1 is G, 2
I don't
is
know what
A, 3 is
So never
TV,
mind.
4 is arrow. G, A, TV, arrow. G, A, TV, arrow. Okay. G, A, TV, arrow.
You did it!
Let's go. Thanks to my special technique
I got
of
the
rotating.
cutest
I'm
idea.
just going around and around.
Actually,
New technique now.
Okay,
I saw
so we gotta keep-
shirts before that said what I'm gonna put on.
Let's go. It's a big shiny key.
It must be the dungeon boss's key. Sorry, hero.
Should we put last
It goes
shoes
with
on
the
this
top
one
layer
since it's
again.
pink?
Oh, no, no, this dark room. I'll leave that dark. You're fine.
Also, I'll
You're
switch
not a hero at all.
between yellow and blue sometimes.
So it's a protective light that's lucky.
So each side won't get
Perfect. So it
offended.
doesn't even need the light. All right, come on, we're doing this. Looks like it's lit in there as well. Oh, boss. Who dares defile my beautiful? Someone has come to rescue the princess, evil Dark
Should we
Lord.
put a Bofus? I think this will be the accessory one.
Scared up? I hear a voice. Who is this spirit that guides you? This is Gaia, abominable Dark Lord. Gaia, no, that's impossible. Gaia is Russian?
Come on now.
Dark Lord. Okay, boss battle. What do we do here? I can't control him, so
What is he doing?
I can shrink the fire. Or maybe I grow the fire? I actually don't know. Stop running. Wait, can I do this?
No, I do agree with him on this one.
He's just running.
You're fast when you're motivated.
Oh wait, I do this. I grow this, and then I grow this, and then it lights it. Yes!
Much longer
I guess it didn't light it, it just stopped it, but that's fine.
Never gonna finish the game at this rate.
There we go. He's beating.
All
Now we
right.
don't anymore.
This is the way to stop this projectile.
Okay, well, we did. But there's another one. Okay, we grow him, and then we grow the fire.
Alright,
And it
perfect.
hits in.
I think we need to put a little dots on it,
Mini.
maybe.
Mini. They're just mini. They're just tiny little bombs.
Little polka dots.
Mini. And then
Feel
big.
like yellow goes good with pink, so this is what
So
I'm
smart. It's
doing.
actually insane. Spikes.
Alright.
Big.
Well, that wasn't very good.
I'm gonna destroy him. Dude, we're burning with the spikes.
Excellent.
We have to stop running away for starters.
Warming up. Wait, what do we do with the spikes actually though? No, let me think. What do we do with the spikes? I figured out what to do with the spikes. I have to make him jump by dropping the home button. Yep, I figured it out. It's tough though. Okay, so now I have to make him jump.
Watch out! The boss is
Axolotl. Lot of
Hit him harder.
questions.
Oh, frick. Frick.
Axolotl.
Make him bigger. Yes. Okay, so more spikes?
Watch out!
It's a dad joke. I don't know if this will fit on your profile or mine. So I could also use it as like
Two tries. Let's go. Wow. What am I missing? Let's go free the princess. Dude, that was
like
good.
the background of my
that.
profile. You know what I'm talking about, guys?
I don't know you, and yet I can already feel a deep connection between us. Mysterious night.
Shut up, editor. Oh, I am.
Go! Oh.
User, the exit. Interfere.
Never mind. Anyway,
Beautiful.
In the shape of a heart as well.
I hear a deep sorrow in that voice. Don't you have a princess to save too?
Oh, you can we say a princess. Her name was Gigi.
what the fuck?
This prison manual has the crazy.
Alright, I had to skip the ad for you guys. This is an upcoming project. Also, these are some extra stuff if you want to see my art.
No, you're Gabe. I've got an idea. Let us give you the contents of this legendary chest. We hope you find her.
I doubt it.
Yeah, those are some of my art. And there's Purple Miley at the bottom.
Is it?
Anyway,
Yeah, it is. It is.
I was looking for a way out of all those objects.
let's make our blue axolotl, which won't have any accessories.
I doubt. How can I stop him from following me?
Oh wait, yeah, we gotta put the
Did
tennis.
we beat chapter 3 though? That was pretty good if we did. Oh, bye.
We've kept you busy for a while. What have you done?
Oh my god.
Do our sprite small changes in the game design. The kids are gonna love it. I will leave you now. I'm waiting.
Alright. I think I'm feeling light blue, but you guys can tell me how you feel.
Advertisement. Cereal that's crunchy and melts in your mouth at the same time. Wait, that looks so good though. Throw added ads. This is crazy. That is so funny.
I might do like light blue like very, very light blue at the tips. I think this is baby blue, unless what the tips are gonna be
Like,
is
the
baby blue.
game's restarted.
Money editions.
What has it done?
Trash. Okay.
Yeah, I think this is
Version
baby
secret.
blue.
Wait.
You know what? I'll just.
Oh, sick. Oh. Or two. Oh.
Turns the game into a free-to-play.
Oh, no.
Sorry, I got a little carried away. But being turned into a free-to-play is the worst thing that can happen to me. How can I explain?
Freaking Fortnite.
If we don't deceive, let's try to leave this dimension fast. You never know, it could be contagious.
Why can't I put that? There's a diamond there. There's a diamond there. Look your head face
Actually, I have an
application.
idea.
Another one.
Oh, that page access your photos, documents, bank accounts, and D. What?
Okay, can we play now? No, come on. I told you.
Blah, 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 blah.
And the free-to-play.
I have painfully read the contract and signed it in blood. Access the game is completely free. The user may make in-game purchases to facilitate progress, but this is absolutely not mandatory. This game has been perfectly designed for fun and easy to play from the very first minutes. Lol.
Anyway.
Alarm clock 150. No.
The room looks different, doesn't it?
I have to pay to pause.
Let me wake up our friend and let's go save the princess.
No.
Wait, this is crazy.
Hero, I just made the bed move, but I was able to pick him up the first
I think I'm gonna do these patterns all around his body.
I love this. Oh,
That's another thing you can request for me to take
I'm
out.
75 now. Oh, I have to get 150 for an alarm clock.
Or consider all suggestions and change them up.
Yes!
But keep the picture so I could make it as a profile. Everyone has a chance to be in my profile.
Is it you?
Yeah, it's Gaia, princess in danger, dimensional temple, the plot, yada yada. Come on, shake a leg, so go.
Okay. Even though I'd have liked to have my crunchy breakfast cereal first. Cereal that's crunchy and melts in your mouth at the same time. It has all ads.
We're off the adventure,
You're right. Let's hurry. Oh, God, I'm gonna have to pay for speed. I'm at top speed. Free to plays. Can I make him faster?
Yeah, let's
I
make
saw
it have
some
a
really
mouth.
nice furniture in a catalog. It was a little expensive. Oh.
Well, at this rate, we will still be here in 10 years. Is there any way you can go faster?
So now we have more furniture. So now we can get more of these.
Watch out. User, even the shop is for sale. What is great?
I like this. I like cookie games. Great. Oh, yes. And now we can buy the shop. Now my Hero Speed for 300. Yes, it's the latest model. They're highly flexible.
Another ad. Alright, I just need to
Alright, so now I can buy this. Bah, here we go. We got the shoes. Freaking free to play.
Alright.
Let's not waste any more time and get out of here.
And then let's take a picture of
It's
the
open.
Good.
I'm calling this success.
Are you kidding me, bro?
But maybe you look different. I mean, maybe you think different. Tell me in the comments.
There you go. Boom. There you go, pal. Got you.
Voila, the path is clear again.
I got you, brother.
Anyway,
No!
Royal Pickle out.